This is how you create custom markers inside After Effects. Got a clip on the timeline, gonna go up to the pen tool, fill no, stroke 50, I'm gonna do white. Then I'm just gonna draw a cool graphic-y arrow. On the drop down menu on contents, I'm just gonna add a trim paths. And then I'm gonna type 0 on the end, keyframe it, move forward a few frames, and then type 100. Just keyframe the start at 0%. Move a few frames forward and then change that to 100. Now we have this like snaky animation like that. If you want your arrow to have dashes, go down to stroke 1. There's a tab, dashes, and you can just click the plus and you can change the number of dashes to make it a bit more blocky. 45 looks good to me. To make it a bit more hand-drawn looking, select the layer, go effect, stylize, roughen edges, and then you can increase the border to make it a bit more like gloopy. And finally add a turbulence display, change the size to 4, and then option click the evolution and type time, asterisk 4. Voila, there you have it. There's how to draw custom markers inside After Effects. If you want to save time though, and just to have loads of drag and drop assets, I really recommend After Effects Juice. It's a plugin for After Effects, and once you install it, you just get all of these assets. I'll put the link to the After Effects Juice plugin in the description of this video, and you get 10% off if you use the code Astrella. So let's say you want this one, you can just download it. You just drag and drop it inside After Effects. I can place it on my timeline, and it's already like a transparent element, which is super cool. And this helps you edit faster and therefore get more clients and do more projects. If you found this tutorial useful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.